The number of bicyclists hit by cars is up by 35% already this year.
It's a big number. To slow that, the Bay Area installing more and more high-tech traffic signals, kind of like the ones behind us. But ABC Action News reporter Sean Daly says most drivers have no idea what to do when they approach one.
Tom Rapson is a county ranger working the Pinellas Trail. Every day he sees what drivers do or don't do when they see these rectangular rapid flashing beacons.
The conscientious ones will stop or at least slow down, but most of the time they just blow right through them. You know, they don't want to be bothered. You know, it's an inconvenience to stop.
When beacons flash, drivers should make a full stop behind the white road marking. Check for pedestrians, allowing them to cross. Then proceed with caution. Even with careless drivers, beacons beat the alternative.
There was nothing here before. You just took your chances.
Pinellas County alone has 244 beacons, including this brand new solar-powered one in Clearwater. A sensor can detect joggers or cyclists nearby and set off the beacons automatically. That also protects cyclists who don't feel like stopping, pressing a button. Cyclist Steve Spears is hoping Tampa Bay gets a whole lot more of them.
I have been hit by a car. It was an uncontrolled intersection. When the first time I saw it, I just said, thank you, Lord, somebody is thinking.
In Clearwater, Sean Daly, ABC Action News.